Hey, Shelly, what's wrong with you?
Karma Neha, my
What karma? Have you gone superstitious?
No, actually yesterday I back answered my mother and now got repaid for it.
Oh, so you're talking about our deeds. You know, I totally agree when people say man does the work and God sees the intention.
Yeah, this is so true about everything. Even nature repays us accordingly. What we give is what we get.
This fact is enacted by drama Search for Environmental Justice.
So let us see the fabulous English drama.
What is a human being? Who are we? Ever since the beginning of the human race, we have asked these questions and the answers given by the so-called great theologians are quite different. Some people believe that we are nothing more than animals, the highly developed animals. This view is not common among most of the people, but it has arisen with the coming of modern science. This view is commonly called as evolution. With the passage of time, man developed as the most advanced animal on the earth. Since the inception of life on earth, Mother Nature has provided everything for the survival of human beings. But are we really doing justice to it? Introspect yourselves to our English skit, The Search for Environmental Justice.
Good gracious, what is this? It's hot.
Let's show it to others also.
In the primitive age only, man was so intelligent that after the discovery of fire, he invented wheel, which is often described as the most important invention of all times. An invention that many of us will have not gone without using for a single day in our entire lives.
Did you hear the news on the radio today?
What's the news?
One box type of thing is going to come which will make the communication very easy.
Yes. I have also heard about it. Is it computer?
Yes, you got it right.
I have heard a lot about it. You know, it will make our work easy, form concepts and even use language to communicate.
After computers, there came the smartphones, which brought a drastic change in the lives of humans.
You know, my uncle sitting in LA, you know LA? LA means Los Angeles, sent me a birthday wish through email using computer.
Oh, which world you are in. This can be done at a finger touch using the smartphone. I'll show you how. Let's click some pics.
Wow, damn cool pics. Which smartphone do you have? This is the latest Android phone. Please share the pics. It will hardly take few seconds. What a fool we are. We can do it more comfortably. Let's go inside and switch on the ACs.
Yes, please. Let's go inside. I can't stay here. Please switch on the AC.
Oh, I can't imagine my life without such comforts, you know.
The sweltering heat of summer has made us fond of air conditioners like never before. Nowadays, AC has become more of a necessity than a luxury. Earlier, man used to invent the things according to his necessity and desire. But now, man has become so greedy and crazy for the luxuries that he started manipulating and exploiting the nature. Let's see what's happening in the next scene.
Hey, you only you. Why the heck you are here?
Listen to me. We are here for your betterment only.
What betterment?
We are planning to set up a leather factory.
A factory?
Yes, a factory which will provide employment to you all.
Employment? We are already employed here as farmers.
Let me tell you that your condition is pathetic. You are exploited and your earnings are meager, which cannot suffice your needs.
You are right. That's true. Everything is okay, but I have a doubt.
Doubt? What doubt?
As you said that you are planning to set up a factory here. But what about the natural greenery and the rivers, which are the lifelines of our village? Will it not get polluted?
Don't bother yourself. I'll see to it. That's my concern. You just need to convince your fellow farmers for the establishment of my dream project. For the time being, you keep this money and do as I say.
Okay, sir. You don't worry about anything.
Hey, what have you brought today for the lunch? It's the same. But why have you brought it in the polythene bag? It may trigger many diseases in your body and it's not good for our environment also.
Oh, don't teach me. We are using it since long. Let's go and have something.
After a few couple of years.
So, see what's happening. Many people have developed blisters all over their body. Some are coughing badly.
See, what have you done to our life? We are not able to breathe properly. Our cattle are dying. Our children are infested with many diseases. You have taken away the peace of our mind.
Flood-like situation in many places of the country. Untimely and uneven rainfall. As a result, many places are experiencing famines and drought. Deforestation, soil erosion, landslides and flash floods created havoc all over in the northern belt. Rescue operations have been set up.
Flood in northern India, fire in Australia, earthquake in Japan, volcanic eruption in Philippines.
What is this? What is going on in this world? What are we doing to our Mother Earth? Wake up, people, wake up. What are we going to give to our future generation?
Are we doing justice to our planet? Have we become so greedy that we are not even thinking that we are causing irreparable damage to our environment? No, we need to find out a solution for this. Now, let's see what are the solutions.
The use of natural refrigerants is a complete solution to CFC, HCFC predicaments.
The best solution to deforestation is to curb the cutting down of trees in large number and planting more and more trees.
Wastewater treatment, proper use and dispose of chemicals, control of sediments and erosion from construction sites are few solutions for water conservation.
Reduce usage of plastic and reprocess it into new products.
Plant a tree, go paperless. Now, let's take an oath. It is not for us, it's for the posterity. So, can we please request you all to stand in your respective places for the oath?
We the people of India today take a pledge towards environmental protection and eco-friendly ways. I promise to plant more than one tree every year. I will not waste the natural resources like water, electricity and petrol. I will neither use plastic nor burn it. I will reduce the use of equipment that generates pollution. I will make my lifestyle environment friendly.
Karma, the irrevocable law, determines that what we give is what we get. Right from the inception, man started viewing the nature. Nature also demands an accounting. Man has started the demolition of nature, but remember, nature will bring an end to it.